Hey loved ones, on today's video, I will be giving my laundry closet a retouch. I will be adding a few items I bought from Walmart, Big Lots, and Dollar Tree. And yes, honey, you heard me correctly. Dollar Tree is my to-go store. If you know me well, you will know that is where you will find me. I'm also using materials I already have from previous projects. I'll make sure to include what those items are in my description box. As you see, my laundry closet is just basic, boring, and blah, and just a complete depression. And it just makes me want to keep the door closed. But I decided to look around in my garage and came across 3 old picture frames that I thought would be perfect to dress the wall with. I googled free laundry printable quotes, printed them out, and because they were too wide for my frame, I cut them down into size and played around with them until I found the right fit. Here's how they turned out with no sweat. Next, I'm upcycling this cardboard cylinder with some jute twine, wrapping it up from top to bottom and sealing it with some hot glue in between. I also took the twine, looping it in an up and down motion around my finger until I have enough slack to make a bow tie out of it. And as you see, I made 2. I then tore off a half of the backing from a ribbon roll and using it to cover the bottom of the hole. I can now use this cylinder as a vase. And what's a space or a room without a floral arrangement? I fell in love with this cotton ball plant, but I didn't want to spend $5 to $10 when I can just spend $2 instead. Let's start by using a cotton ball and pulling it apart gently, making 2 pieces. Repeat the same steps, and now you will have 4 pieces. Add some hot glue onto the sides of them, including the center, to hold the cotton balls in place. Set it aside, and now grab your pine cone pieces, and in between the cotton ball gaps, you will glue in your pine piece. Next, I took branches from my backyard and placed my cotton balls sporadically on them. Here's an example of one of my branches. Now keep in mind, I did clean off my branches with warm water and soap and allow them to dry before using them. And here's how my cotton plant turned out for just $2. I also bought these pretty linen baskets and using them to store my soap detergents, fabric softeners, dryer sheets, and other laundry materials. And these little cute containers serves its purpose all around. I find myself buying detergents, and after buying them, I'm just stacking them on the rack and just keeping it moving. But no more of that. I'm filling these containers up with my detergents and softeners, getting rid of the bottles. I also get to save some space and utilize them as decor statements at the same time. And this is how my laundry closet looks after just adding linen baskets, plastic containers, picture frames with a plant that gives the entire space a hint of style. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, take care.